I am Anne, the home bartender, and today we are making the business. It's a play on the bee's knees, so stick around. We're going to have the ingredients coming up for you next. You will need 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. Let's mix the business. I'm going to use 2 ounces of Freeland gin. It is a Portland-based company. Then we're going to go with 1 ounce of lime juice and 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup, which is a 1-to-1 syrup. And let's get some ice in there. And let's shake this cocktail. So I'm going to take that off and just strain it with my strainer here into this coupe. Get that aside. That is the business. Okay, let's try this business. I just like saying that name, it's fun to say. I use the Freeland gin because it's sort of natural and it has a grassy flavor. The juniper comes in nicely at the end. It's subtle, which is really nice for this cocktail because the lime and the honey are fairly dominant in it, but very well balanced. I don't generally go for honey cocktails, but I really do like this cocktail and I think you should try it. I found this cocktail in Sasha Petrosky's book regarding cocktails. It's a really great book. He's of the Milk and Honey fame, of course. And the bee's knees uses lemon, and this is a play on the bee's knees, and this one, of course, uses lime. So when you say those things together, the bee's knees and the business, you get it. Anyway, you should pick up this book because it's a really beautiful book, and it has a lot of really great cocktails in it, and I think you would enjoy everything in it. Follow me on Instagram for a picture and a recipe. I'm over there at HomeBartenderAnne. And here on YouTube, please hit the subscription button and then the notification bell. I always post new videos on Friday mornings. So join me then, home bartenders, and be well.